Hello, children. In our crisis period of COVID 19, we are all aware of health and hygiene. If we are keeping the surrounding and our body clean, no disease will attract you. If you are eating healthy food, we will have resistant power against disease. A healthy life is a dream of each individual. World Health Organization declared April 7th as World Health Day. Its goal is to create awareness among each individual. For being healthy, we need to know the actual meaning of health and hygiene. Sometimes we feel that we are not able to perform our daily activities, so we will decide to visit a doctor because we are unsure about certain signals exhibited by our body. This unusual feeling is called illness. If we say all about our symptoms to the doctor, he suggests for a test and prescribe medicine. This actual condition causes discomfort is called disease. Hygiene can be defined as a practice of certain habit to maintain a good health. It may be personal or social level. Maintaining personal cleanliness, that is personal hygiene. Cleanliness is a freedom from dust impurities. We need our body, clothes, house and surrounding to be clean, thoroughly and regularly. In dirty condition, many germs attack and the chances of the infection can cause some disease. Personal cleanliness is most essential for good health. It is always better to remain under hygienic condition. To maintain a good health, these suggestions should be adopted in our daily routine. Wash your hand frequently. Before each meals, hands should be washed by soap. After taking meals, wash your hands and brush the teeth to remove small particles. Regular bath must be taken to clean the body with soap. Change undergarments and other clothes daily. Keep the nails short and clean. Eyes should be washed by clean water twice or thrice daily. Nose and ears should be protected from dust. Soft medicated butt should be used to clean the ears. Maintaining cleanliness of the surrounding, that is public hygiene or social hygiene. What will happen if we dump garbage on the open area if drinking water supply is not clean? These unhygienic conditions may produce disease causing the microorganism and you may get infection and sick. Thus, unhygienic personal hygiene may create health problem to you and entire community. These precautionary measures should be followed for the health of the whole community. All public places such as school, office, bathroom, lavatories, cinema hall, etc. should be kept clean. Eating places like hotel, restaurants, surrounding must be kept clean. All eatable items must be kept covered. All public drains, garbage must be covered and some disinfectant should be used. Water should be kept free from germs and microorganisms by using chlorine or bleaching powder. Spray disinfectants by spraying Lysol and stagnant water. For sewage disposal, proper dumping method should be followed. Waste material must be dumped in pits. Technique of converting sewage water plants should be installed. Avoid defecating in open. Next, we are going to learn about care of the body. Our body is compared to machine and their parts are organ and organ system. If our body is maintained well, it works smooth in functioning. First one, dental care. To protect your oral health, practice good oral hygiene daily. Brush your teeth at least twice a day with a soft bristle brush using fluoride toothpaste. Floss daily. Use mouthwash to remove food particle left after brushing and flossing. Eat a healthy diet and limit food with added sugar. Disease affecting the teeth. Bleeding gums. The causative agent is vitamin C deficiency. Tooth decay. The causative agent is bacteria in plaque. Periodontist. The causative agent is tobacco chewing. Eye care. As the only organ of sight, our eyes need to be taken care as much as any other part of the body. Eyes are the windows to the world. 80% what we perceive come through the sense of sight. How to protect our eyes? Wear sunglasses and protective eye when you go outside to protect from UV rays of the sun. Wash the eyes with cold water. Limit blue light exposure while working on computer. Avoid rubbing or touching the eyes. Sit at least 20 to 40 inches away from the computer and avoid working on computer for a long time. Eat nutrient food to keep your eyes and skin healthy. Example carrot, orange, lemon, etc. What are the disease affected in the eye? That is night blindness, lack of vitamin A, conjunctivitis. It is caused by virus and bacteria, and color blindness. It is a genetic condition. Hair care. Thin, sparse hair and the loss of hair indicates a poor nutritional status. The deficiency in diet, physical and mental illness of various kind may also lead to premature graying of hair.